When a narcissist comes to terms with the fact that their new supply can never truly replace you, the impact on them is profound and multifaceted. Initially, they may be excited by the novelty of a new partner, someone to admire and mirror their self-image. But that excitement wears off quickly when they realize that the deep connection, admiration, and emotional energy you once gave them cannot be replicated. If you were a high-quality source of narcissistic supply, affection, validation, and attention, they face an enormous loss when you leave. Narcissists often fail to grasp the emotional depth and individuality you brought to the relationship. They may attempt to recreate the dynamic with a new person using tactics like love bombing. But each individual is unique, and a new supply rarely meets their inflated expectations. This gap between what they had with you and what they now experience leads to growing dissatisfaction. Rather than looking inward and reflecting on their own behavior, the narcissist will often respond by devaluing the new supply, criticizing them, and engaging in manipulation. Despite appearing to move on, narcissists frequently attempt to hoover you back into their lives. They may reach out with apologies or claims of having changed, but these are typically insincere. Their goal isn't to heal or make amends. It's to regain control and validation. If you reject their advances, they may lash out, either by intensifying their abuse of the new supply or by launching a smear campaign against you to protect their fragile self-image and maintain a sense of superiority. This behavior often confuses people. Why does the narcissist still lie and act out even after the relationship ends? The answer lies in their dependency on external validation. Narcissists can't function well on their own. Unlike healthy individuals who grow from solitude, they fear it. Your unique emotional support and presence once filled that void. Now, faced with your absence, they're desperate to replicate that feeling, but inevitably fail. The new supply is not inherently lacking. The issue lies in the narcissist's inability to appreciate anyone fully. After idealizing the new person, they eventually become disappointed and critical because no one can live up to the standard you unknowingly set. They create toxic dynamics, extract emotional energy from chaos, and often prepare to reach out to you again, needing the powerful emotional response you once gave. Even if they appear content with someone else, understand that narcissists often wear a mask. What seems like happiness is often a facade hiding deep dissatisfaction. They may seem to thrive, but it's an illusion crafted to maintain appearances and control how others perceive them. Internally, they remain stuck, haunted by the loss of a supply they can't replace. The reality is, the narcissist's life changed because of you. You offered something rare and deeply fulfilling, and now they are condemned to chase that feeling, often in vain. While you grow, reflect, and heal, they remain in a cycle of manipulation and emptiness, always searching, never satisfied.